Hello. I just spent like 5 minutes looking for this document, but I couldn't find it in their Google Drive. So I'm just gonna tell you that it's number 5, and it's an 180 kilogram bumper car traveling west. At 2 meters per second. So let's say 100. Oh, it's going west, so this way. It's going west at 2 meters per second, collides head on this is 180, and this is 150, and it's going east at 3 meters per second. Which one would be negative? The left, right? Okay. After the collision, the 180 kilogram travels east at 2.5 meters per second, and then the 150 we don't know the speed. Okay, so let me make all that smaller. So y'all need to know which directions are which and how to take writing into a drawing and then take that into a formula, right? So it's not recoil because they're not starting out stuck together. Recoil was this one with the cannon, right? And the cannonball's in there, and then after it goes out that way. It wouldn't be sticking because they're both coming from other ends. Sticking would be if they were going like this. So the only other option is bouncing because they're doing this. So then, actually, I'm probably wrong here, that it's probably going to go this way because they go, and then they go bounce off each other. So then it ends up being like this. Big fire, big crash. Okay, so this is recoil, this is sticking, and this is bouncing. So because we know that it's bouncing, we can use the formula of m1v1 initially plus m2v2 initially equals m1v1 finally plus m2v2 finally. So what's our first mass? Our first mass, I always like to think of it that the left one is the first one. Obviously in the text it says a 180 kilogram car. It says the 180 first, but there's no rule that says we have to do that, right? So to me it makes more sense that left is first. So 150 kilograms times the first velocity, which is 3 meters per second, plus the second mass, which is 180, times the second velocity, which is -2, equals the mass 1 times x plus 180 I'm running out of space. Plus 180 kilograms times 2.5 meters per second. And again, we know that it's positive because they said it's going east. Okay, so then 150 times 3. times 3, 450 kilograms times meters per second, plus 180 times -2, -360 equals 150 kilograms times x, we don't know that, plus 180 times 2.5. So 450 kilograms times meters per second. So 450 minus 360. So this was step 1, step 2. Step 3, we need to do the math now. So 450 minus 360 is 90 kilograms times meters per second is equal to, let's bring this down, 150 kilograms times x plus 450 kilograms times meters per second. So now because these are attached by a plus sign, we need to do the opposite, which is subtraction on both sides. So step 4, 90 minus 450. And it makes sense that this number would be negative because it's going this way, because they're bouncing off of each other. So negative 360 kilograms times meters per second is equal to 150 kilograms times x. Now because these are attached by a times, the opposite of multiplication is to divide, right? We need to take a plane all the way over there because they're separated by the equal sign. The 2 kgs cross out, so we're only left with ms, which makes sense because we are looking for the velocity, right? So negative 360 divided by 150 is negative 2.4 meters per second. And it makes sense that it's going negative 2.4 meters per second because they're around the same mass, but this one is less mass, so it makes sense that this one has less momentum. Or sorry, less velocity after. Just a teeny bit. Okay?